Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's tutorial is about shading of hairs. Actually, this is one part of the video where I'll be showing you about the hair shading, and the second part I'll be uploading soon on the basic shading of the face. So here I have some face outlines of a girl in which we'll start shading of hairs. So starting with some basic layer using HB pencil in the direction of the hairs as in the reference photograph. Just carefully observe the strokes and apply it accordingly. Now using some smooth paint brush, blend the strokes smoothly. Repeat applying strokes and blending it on the remaining part of the hairs. Now by observing light and shadow in the photograph, we have to create some lighter and darker strokes. So we'll be going gradually from lighter to darker one using proper grades of the pencil. Now using 4B pencil, we'll create darker strokes as it is in the photograph. Do not directly darken spaces as shown in the photograph. Always go gradually for the realistic effect. This is how the hairs are looking after 2 layers of HB and 4B grades following by the smooth blending. Now I started applying one more layer of darker strokes using 6B pencil. Just carefully observe in the photograph and apply accordingly only over darker spaces. After completing all the layers, this is what the hairs are looking like. Now the final stage is to create highlights referring in the photograph. Here I am using Tombow Mono Zero eraser for highlights. This is what the final look is. So the part 1 is completed. Now stay tuned for the next part where I'll be showing you basic face shading. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do like and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.